Hello everyone, this is Peter Stone, founder of Peter Stone Jewelry back in 1987. So I've been doing the jewelry business for a very long time. And I started out before cell phones were ever around, before the internet. And lots have changed. Lots has changed, for sure. But we feel as if we are on the cutting edge, on the leading edge of the wave at almost all times. We don't think like the rest of most other companies. We like to mingle with the better and the best and take it another step. And that step involves you. We give back a lot to the people who make the jewelry, to the people who purchase the jewelry, the people that bring the jewelry to the people that purchase the jewelry. And that's the purpose of this short clip here about our affiliate program. If you haven't signed up yet, the year's passing. Don't wait any longer. Get out there and start sharing Peter Stone Jewelry. Go in and have a look through our website and find out the lines and collections that you really are inspired by and that feel good to you. And those are things the easiest to talk about on your social media, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your Tumblr, wherever you are. But you can get free jewelry. Just check this out. So you share a link on your social media. You talk about Peter Stone Jewelry. What's cool about it? You own a piece. Make a selfie with a piece of jewelry. Show your jewelry to friends. Why you bought it. What you like about it. What's special. Tell them they should too, because you're going to love it. You want to share good stuff, don't you? You don't want to share things that aren't going to benefit you and benefit your friends and your family and the world in general in a positive way. So, click on the link, get a little link to post on your social media pages. Start sharing. When someone clicks on that, suppose somebody bought we're getting $150 retail orders. If someone buys $150, it's the whole order, not the first piece. We're not playing any games. So if someone goes in, I've seen $400 retail orders online. Somebody clicks and buys $400 worth of jewelry because you inspired them. You now get a credit for $400. If another person came in and bought $50, you get another credit for $50 in jewelry. And the third person to come in, just say it's $100. Now you have $550 worth of credit of jewelry for free. It's simple, seamless, easy, and those credits go into your account. There's a dashboard, costs no money. Click on the link and check it out below. You're going to really love this because after the first 3 people, when people reorder, what if those people reorder or you get new people, you get 25% in a credit. So just say in 3 weeks, $1,000 worth of jewelry got purchased through your link. Now you have a $250 credit towards jewelry, free. Then if you didn't want all that jewelry, you can get 15% cash credit. So you say, Peter, I got enough jewelry. I want some money. Okay, we'll give you some cash. It's just not as much as the jewelry. So just click on the link and get started. Nothing could be easier. With 43 different niche markets, you find something that you'll like, or many things that you'll like. And some people's problem is they find so much they like that they can't make a decision. And that's why you want to stick to a couple of collections or a collection that you're really passionate about, that really means something to you, and share that with your friends because they probably like that too, or introduce them to the magic of Peter Stone. This is Peter Stone saying, click on the link, sign up, and get started. It's the end of January, the last day. So let's get this year ramped up, and by the end of the year, you could have a full jewelry box. You could even start a little online business if you wanted. But if you don't want it, that's fine too. But by the end of the year, you could have $10,000 worth of jewelry, $5,000, a couple thousand, and cash, both, with a quality company. That should be important to you. You gotta, you don't have to do anything, but what I won't sell anything for anybody or represent anybody unless I know they're solid. Be solid, live life, live it in the best way that you can, and share things that are good, the best. Peter Stone, thanks very much.